today we are making this coffee and bloom box, perfect for packaging your product, gifting, or as party favors. Let's start by uploading the SVG file onto Cricut Design Space. You can find the file linked in the description box. Once you open the file, you will see two pieces that will need to be assembled together. Click on the main group and right-click to ungroup it. Then you can open the groups to reveal the score layer and cut layers. Select the score layers in both groups and change the operation to score. Then click on each group individually and click attach so that the score lines stay in place where they're supposed to be when we go on to make this. Make sure to load your scoring stylus before you begin. And then once you're ready, load your cardstock into the machine. Your cutting machine will then do the rest, first scoring and then making all the cut lines. You will need 2 pieces of 12 by 12 sheets of cardstock to make the size as shown here. You can always resize this file to suit your needs as well. So once the first piece is ready, just unload and repeat for the second sheet. Once that's done, fold all the score lines. Then glue the 2 pieces together like shown here. Thank you for watching and feel free to leave me a comment if you have any questions.